K510 Group.
To the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group, and man, today we got another video. We kind of like picking up from where we left off. I just want to give y'all a refresh. So last video, we finished the valve cover gaskets and the breather hose. We replaced these breather hoses in the back with the little connections there. This one was okay, so I kept that one. But this video, it's time to do a tune-up, man. This car been getting a lot of love, and I just been trying to just keep it running, man. It's a very good car. Like the body wise is good, interior wise is good. I think the next thing I'll probably do in the interior is probably do the headliner. But yeah, man, I'm just excited about this build, man. It's a childhood dream car. Like when I was a kid, my uncle had this same exact car that I drove with him in, and it's just crazy, man. To be, you know, able to own the same exact car I fell in love with. You know what I mean? That's just dope. But yeah, man, let me stop rambling, man. So what we got today, man, we're doing the tune-up, man. So we got ignition coils, all new coils. Give me 1 second, let me get something. Yep, so we got 8 of these, 8 ignition coils. We got 16 of these spark wires, and then 16 spark plugs. And we also got new air filters too, man. And yep, I had to buy this special tool. It's supposed to help you remove the coils. I mean the plug wires, like locks onto the back of this, and then it helps you pull it out. So yeah, man, I'm about to set the camera up, and about to get started, man. Alright guys, so got the camera set up. So we're just gonna remove these coils. This is my first time doing this type of job on Benz, you know, like as far as like a tune-up, cause I'm not familiar with Benz at all, I'm gonna be honest. So we'll just see how it go from here. So according to this tool, you just put it on the back. Oh wait, I'm do this one first. Kind of just get it right there. It's supposed to just pop off, but I'm not convinced on this tool, man. I don't see how this shit work. It's supposed to just be smooth. Oh, never mind. There you go. I guess it did work. I was overthinking it. Alright. Let's see. Sweet. See? So we got our first two out. I like pulling them out by hand. I got the electric ratchet, but this one, this car got almost 300,000 miles, so I don't know if these are original spark plugs. They're Bosch, so maybe they are. I don't know this brand, but I guess they're a good brand. AFC. So let's see. It's always a good idea to like spray your socket, your spark plug socket, lube it up. Sometimes the boot will like slip out from the spark plug tool. You see, like that. We don't want that because it's stuck in that cylinder. I might go without the boot, just to be on the safe side. So I do not want that. Or let the hand start down. Till they get tight. Once they get tight, then I kind of just run it down with the ratchet. There it goes, getting tight. Keep on going. Yeah. Your hand tight should always be enough. At least for me. Alright, so we got the first plug down. So I'm gonna do the rest of them and I'll show y'all when we get to the right side. So I don't wanna bore y'all with just showing y'all each plug at a time. 16 of them, so we'll cut the camera back on in a little bit. Alright guys, so we got the left side in. Sorry, put the left side in, all the wires. Now the new coils are in. So now we're doing the right side. And yeah man, that's gonna be it for the tune-up. I'm about to replace the air filters too, so I'm gonna record that and then we out, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's get that done. Alright guys, so we ready to put the new air filters in now. So I'll show you guys, this is the engine cover. Let me show you how it looks from the front. Alright, so this is my engine cover, and the air filter is built inside this cover. So it has these screws up here. That's where the filters go, right here. So I'm about to set up the camera so you guys can see me change out this air filter. And like I said, I just want to sorry. I just want to get everything done on this car, cause I want to just daily drive it, to be honest. Let me get the gun for this. So T25, I need a lot of torque, something small. Just want to make sure you get on there pretty tight. You don't want to strip out these bolts. I really don't even like using air tool. I mean, like electric tools on this type of stuff, because you can always over torque it. So I have to be careful. Alright, come off as one piece, so you kind of gotta make sure all the, it sounds like that's a lot of dirt. It sounds like they're dirty. Ooh. Yeah, that was terrible. All that dirt that came out. Ooh. See, this is what you don't want to see. You don't want to see sand in your air cleaner. That sand can blow into your engine. Damn. This motherfucker dirty as hell too. This shit got a cigarette in there. The fuck? That's crazy. A damn cigarette. That's why it's important to clean out your air filters, man, and replace them. So I'm gonna dump this out and get it cleaned up, and I'll be right back. Get like a degreaser, just spray it down. We got that side clean. Make sure. Yeah, you kind of just want to make sure you clean it out good. That's what your engine's breathing in. Alright, so we got the new filters in. Now we're gonna reinstall it. Looks like this, I think. I just want to make sure the filters are seated properly. It won't close unless it's seated all the way. I've been looking for some aftermarket setups for like a cold air intake. If you guys have any links you can recommend me to, or any brands that is good to go with, please let me know. I heard that was a big it's a big thing for to gain a little bit more horsepower with these Benzes. You know, I'm a big fan of factory air cleaners, only because it kind of seals up the air box. But I want to see the difference in power, even intake noises with the with those cold air intakes. I like to run it down and then tighten them up by hand. You know, over tighten it. This helps keep it sealed up. So you have that dirt again. Alright, so it looks like it's sealed up. I'm gonna stay in my fleet probably for the rest of my life, man. Like my E36, that ain't going nowhere. This car ain't going nowhere. My Lincoln ain't going nowhere. And my BMW X5 definitely ain't going nowhere. That's a second, well, that's the first childhood dream car that I ever purchased on my own. So this is the second one. And, you know, my third one, I definitely need a Dodge Viper in my fleet, man. A 2001 Dodge Viper, or 2000s. Like that old classic body. I like the 92. I don't think I could fit in that Dodge Viper. So we gotta see when I get my money up and I'm able to afford that type of shit, then I'll go, you know, that's when I'll just go to it. But right now I'm completely out of space. We still gotta finish building the 6 Series. Got a transmission for that, so we can at least get that drivable. And then everything else, man, is you know, that's just my hobby. I love cars, so I'm always, you know, be tinkering with cars and, you know, buying project cars, selling project cars. That's just a part of the lifestyle when you a real car guy, man. You always want to buy some new shit, and you always got some new shit, you know, in the cut somewhere, you know. So if you like this content, if you into cars, if you like these type of videos, man, subscribe, man. I appreciate the subscription. Like the video if you can, share the video if you can, and yeah, man, we out, man. See you in the next vlog. Peace.